Good.
Hi, my name is Kevin. This is my generator. It doesn't work, but the reason it doesn't work is because I lost a piece of wire. I forgot to buy magnets because I didn't really have that much time, and I just put it together. Right here, there's spoons which are supposed to spin, but I messed up on this, so it hits this, so it doesn't work. What it's supposed to do is it spins, and when that spins, it spins this tube, which when that spins, the magnets just start rotating, and from there, the magnetic field starts, which that's where that's how electricity is generated from the magnetic field, and yeah, I had a lot of problems. I accidentally put spoons into the middle, which is where the stick needed to go, but I messed it up, and I curved it, and the stick almost broke. And every time I try, the stick almost breaks, but this one stayed still. Also, the tube moved to the side, and it messed up the spoons as well. It's not really stable. That's pretty much it with this.
So what are the parts of a generator?
A rotor, motor, and a stator. Stator stays, rotor rotates, and the motor it helps it to generate electricity.
And how is electricity generated?
It can be generated like a couple of ways, but the simplest one is just like a magnet, and you just put a wire through it, and right there, it'll make a couple of amps or volts. And the reason that happens is because the wire, when it goes through there, it works the magnetic field, which from there it creates volts.